If you need to update your payment information on Netflix, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your payment method quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your web browser or Netflix app and log into your Netflix account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account. In the account settings page, scroll down to the membership and billing section. Here you'll see an option for payment information. Click on update payment method. Now you'll be redirected to a page where you can enter your new payment details. You can choose between various payment methods like credit, debit card, PayPal or other available options. For credit or debit card, enter your card number, expiration date, CVV and billing address. For PayPal, you may need to log into your PayPal account to authorize the payment. After entering your new payment information, make sure to click Save or Update to confirm and apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation email from Netflix about the update to your payment information. Check your email to ensure everything was processed correctly. And that's it. Your payment information is now updated